guys, so today we're going to review another murder mystery and one of my all-time favorites called Death on the Nile by Agatha Christie. It's another one of Hercules Poirot cases, and it's very well written, and it's something that I would suggest everyone to read. If you are into murder mystery and you love Agatha Christie books, this has to be a must read. That has to be on your reading list. There is also a film which was released in 2022 called Death on the Nile, which also features Gal Gadot in one of the lead roles. Now, again, like the book suggests, this is about a murder that takes place on a cruise ship while traveling over the River Nile. And it so happens that our protagonist of the book and the film, Hercules Poirot, is also present on the ship, and he is charged with, solving this murder. And the entire sequence that follows is how he manages to unravel the murder, which is so well planned and so well executed with no faults, and he still managed to find the smallest, clues to the murder, and he solves the case. However, if you ask me in terms of the ending, I feel that the ending in the book is much more gratifying from a reader's perspective, or even a viewer's perspective, if I would have to say, because in the book, after revealing who the murderer is, and while the cops are taking the people charged with murder, there is this lady who is the key focus, who shoots herself and her lover in the book. And Hercules Poirot later reveals that he knew that she had the second pistol with her, which kind of creates the entire circle around, like the start to end circle. Whereas in the movie, it just ends with him him pointing out who the murderers are, and they're just taken away, and the case ends on a very happy note, which I felt is a little off considering the writing of Agatha Christie. So if you ask me personally, for me, to choose between the book and the film, the book is a hit for me, and the film is kind of a miss.